Okay, fifth graders. So today, the first couple are a little bit trickier. We need to use some thinking skills here. It's saying that Rashid can paint 2 square feet in 10 minutes. So it would be likely that he could also paint 1 square foot in 5 minutes if we cut them both down. So we'll keep that rate in mind for this. And then we need to fill in the missing parts to see if it was a 6 foot by 25 foot fence on that one. So let's do this. If it takes him 5 minutes, or what if it's 2 square feet for 5 minutes, then let's take our number here. Hang on. And then it says we're going to change it from 2 feet to 6 feet. So 2 times what will equal 6, and that would be 3. So we're going to keep with that 3. And then we're going to take our next number, which was 25, and we'll also multiply that one times 3. 25 times 3 is going to be 150. So total area he's going to paint is that 150 square feet of fence. And our time then, we'll keep this time in mind with the 5, so we'll take our 150 and we're going to multiply it times 5, and that will equal 750. Now remember, these are minutes, 750 minutes. So we're going to divide it by 60 because there are 60 minutes in an hour. So grab a calculator if you need to. 750 divided by 60 is going to equal 12.5. So 12 hours and a half an hour. That 0.5 means a half. So 12 hours. And then think about how you would write a half hour in minutes. You would say 30 minutes. So 12 hours and 30 minutes on that one. Alright, Regina wants to cover one wall of her room with wallpaper. The wall is 9 feet high and 15 feet wide. There is a doorway that is 3 feet wide and 7 feet tall. So how I would do it, now there's probably a few different ways to do it, is I would figure out the total. I would do the 9 times 15, and then I would subtract. 9 times 15 is 135. Grab a calculator if you want to. And then subtract that part that's the doorway. So subtract from this area, that's 7 times 3, which is 21. So we'll have 135 minus 21, and that will equal 114. And again, we're measuring in square feet. Okay, looking down here, I hope that this copied dark enough that you can see it. If not, just follow along with me. We're talking this part right here. We're going to do area of irregular shapes again with some pieces not given to us. If this is 4 and this is 4 and this total length is 10, 4 plus 4 is 8, this little piece must be 2. And then we're missing some pieces up here. I see 2 boxes is 4 and 2 boxes here, so this height must also be 4. And this is 2 boxes, so that must also be 4, and 4 plus 4 plus 4 would equal this total of 12. So now I think we've got all the pieces. We just need to break it up. And if I've got 4 this way and 4 that way, 4 times 4 is 16, so my total area for that section is 16. We'll break this one up. And here I've got 4 high, but I need to figure out how many over. I knew this was 4 plus that other 2, so this must be 6. So 4 times 6 is 24 for that little piece there. And now I've got my bottom section here. 10 times 4 is 40, and now I'm going to add them all up. 16 plus 24 plus 40, and that total area then will be 80 yards squared. Alright, just moving it up a little bit so we can see it better. Hopefully yours copied pretty well. There should be lines right in here. If it didn't, we'll add them in right now. Okay, so 2 feet, 4 feet, this section isn't given to us, but if you notice, each box seems to be 1 this time. So I see 2 this way, 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. So 1, 2, that must be 2 feet this way, and this one must be 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. And we've already got our total of 9 that way. So now we can break it up into smaller rectangles. Help us find the area. Now remember, you can break it up in a different way if you want to, and you'll still get the same area. If this is 2 and this is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. This piece right here, I've got 4 going across, and 1, 2, 3, 4 going down. 4 times 4 is 16 for that area. And 1 and 9, 1 times 9 is going to be 9, so we'll add up those 3 sections, 16 plus 8 plus 9, and we'll get a total area of 33. Now this one down here, we need to figure out the side. We're given the 30, or I'm looking at 30 and 5 here. I'm noticing a pattern. We're given 3,000, and we know that this side is 50, so this time we're going to do a little dividing. And we're going to take 30,000 divided by 50, and I'm already thinking 5 times 6 is 30. And then I need to add an extra 0, so this must be 60 this way. This one is going to be exactly the same as that one, so this must be 50 centimeters. And this is also centimeters, and I know that because this is centimeters cubed. Whoops, and I need one more side over this way. If this is 60 and it's a rectangle, then this is also 60 centimeters. Alright, these lines look like it goes to this next one. We're going to do the same thing with this. We know our total area is 198, and one side is 6. So we'll take our 198, and we're going to divide it by the total, or the one side, 6. And we'll find out that this missing side is 33. And if the bottom is 33, the top must also be 33. And we're meters this time. Remember not to write meters squared because we're separating it now. We've got meters times meters, and it will equal meters squared in the center, but for the sides we're just meters. If this is 6, then this is 6. Don't forget your unit of meters. Alright, that's it. Thanks for working with me today.